Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy GitHub Copilot and choose the right plan for your coding needs. So first of all, simply come here on github.com. Then you need to log in into your personal account if you haven't already. Now, when you are here on the dashboard of GitHub, you need to simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then simply click on the option of settings. Now, when you are inside the settings, in the left hand section, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find the option of Copilot. So when you are able to find it, you just have to simply click on it, and then you just have to click on the option of the features. So this way you will be landed here on the page of GitHub Copilot. So over here you can start using it for free, or you can also buy Copilot Pro. So you can just simply select the option of Copilot Pro, and if you want to purchase it, you need to pay $10. So you need to fill out all of these details and then click on the option of save billing information. In order to get started with it for free, simply click on the option of start using Copilot for free, and then you can just simply start a new chat. Over here you can give the prompt, and this way you can basically start using it. So remember that the paid plan includes a monthly allowance of GitHub AI credits, and the additional usage can be billed separately if you enable it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.